Good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss oxidation potential, reduction potential, standard electrode potential, and reference electrode, so called SHE or NHE. So one by one, I am going to discuss the topics. At very first, the oxidation potential. Children, you know the tendency to lose electron in a half cell. Already you have been studied the Daniell cell. So in Daniell cell, so-called voltaic cell, there are two half cells connected with salt bridge. So the tendency to lose electron in a half cell known as oxidation potential, and oxidation potential is inversely proportional to the concentration of solution. It is okay. Now reduction potential, the tendency to give electron in a half cell known as reduction potential. It is not possible to determine the absolute value of electrode potential for the reference electrode. NHE, SHE is required, means we cannot observe and calculate the actual correct value, absolute value of either oxidation potential or reduction potential alone. It needed a reference electrode. So afterward we will go through the study of reference electrode, so called normal hydrogen electrode or standard hydrogen electrode is considered as reference electrode. Means by using the reference electrode we can find out actual absolute value of electrode potential. So children, what is the standard electrode potential? You know, the potential difference developed between metal electrode and solution of ions having unit molarity, means 1 molar solution at 1 atmospheric pressure and 298 Kelvin, so considered to be 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Means if it is asked define standard electrode potential, then your answer should be the potential difference developed between metal electrode and solution of ion with unit molarity at 1 atmospheric pressure and 25 degrees Celsius temperature. It is okay. Is called standard electrode potential, and standard electrode potential denoted by capital E naught. Standard electrode potential is denoted by capital E naught. It is okay. So children, you have gone through oxidation potential, reduction potential, and standard electrode potential. There is a term NHE and SHE you have gone through. These are the reference electrode by which we can measure the electrode potential of half cells. It is okay. So children, let me discuss reference electrodes. Point wise we have to go through. At very first, the electrode of known potential is called a reference electrode. Means the electrode which potential already we know, that should be acting as reference electrode with oxidation potential or reduction potential, means two different half cells either of cathode or of anode. So the electrode of known potential is called reference electrode, and these are SHE, NHE, means standard hydrogen electrode or normal hydrogen electrode is considered as reference electrode. It consists of platinum wire carried a platinum foil coated with finely divided platinum black. The wire is sealed into a glass tube placed in a beaker containing 1 molar hydrochloric solution, hydrochloric acid solution, and the hydrogen gas at 1 atmospheric pressure is bubble to this solution at temperature 298 Kelvin. If this situation is meet out somewhere, that system will be considered to be the reference electrode as SHE. It is okay. So children, means what is SHE? It consists of a platinum wire carried a platinum foil coated with finely divided platinum black, and the wire is sealed into a glass tube placed in a beaker containing 1 molar hydrochloric acid solution, and the hydrogen gas at the pressure 1 atmosphere is bubble up. The situation of reference electrode is this one. Children, you see here, this is a beaker. This is a beaker or trough filled with 1 molar hydrochloric solution, and this is a device so-called SHE. Means this is a glass sealed tube. Inside this there is a platinum wire, and here it is a platinum wire coated with platinum black. It is okay, and this is a device by which we can bubble up hydrogen gas during the reference electrode at the temperature 298 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. So this is the situation, this is the structure. You have to remember, you have to learn, you have to practice for that. So what will happen? It is acting as a half cell. Means this reference cell is acting as a half cell. When we are going to measure the oxidation potential of anode, then it will be acting as cathode. And when we will be measuring the reduction potential of cathode, then it will be acting as anode. So children, this is a reference half cell. The electrode potential has been fixed 0. For this reference hydrogen electrode, standard hydrogen electrode, what is the potential, electrode potential? That is 0 at all temperature. Platinum electrode are possibly not placed here. In place of that, we use calomel platinum, calomel electrode, because this platinum is poisoned immediately if the impurities are present in the solution. So ultimately, you have to practice, you have to remember more and more this SHE reference electrode. Usually in your board examination, 1 or 2 marks question is asked from this one. So in this topic, children, you have gone through oxidation potential, reduction potential, standard electrode potential, and the reference electrode. This reference electrode is SHE, so-called NHE. How this is prepared, already I have been discussed, should have to practice. So next topic, children, we will discuss tomorrow. This much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.